Smith with X-Fan Technology, and here's your tech tip for the week. This week I'm going to talk about security on computers. Your password. Your password is something that you really need to keep confidential. It should be thought of as like your home security system, the code that you use. If someone was to get that code from you, they could get into your home, and we know we definitely do not want that. Well, the password is the same way. If your password is something that people can figure out easily, they can get to all your important files. They can delete things if they want to. So there's some common mistakes people make with passwords. The first one is they use the same password for personal and for business. The problem with this is, if someone gets your password for personal, then they can easily get anything they want on your business side. Also, using a password that you like for your pet's name or your spouse's name, well, this could be a problem, especially if you have a picture of Fluffy the kitty behind you and it has the kitty's name on it. Obviously, it's an easy one to figure out. Or your spouse's name. Most coworkers know your spouse's name, or your children's names, or anniversaries. Those are very common things to use for passwords and could cause problems. Also, think about passwords that you write down to remember. This is something a lot of people do. They put it on a sticky note and they put it on their desk. Well, obviously other people can see that and they can get into your computer. So I'm going to caution you to be very careful about the passwords that you create and that you use. There are some tips about how to create a strong password, and I'm going to show them to you now. I'm going to demonstrate today how to create a strong password using a Microsoft online safety tool. I will be typing in a password. I would like you to keep an eye on the strength meter. At first it will be weak, it'll become medium, and then eventually strong, and that's what I recommend. The characters, you should use at least 3 different types of characters. Capital P, A, S, S, W, O, R, D is still weak, but if I add a numeric value, 7, 2, I become medium. Now I'm going to add a symbol. I'm going to use the @ sign. It is strong. Using 3 different characters is highly recommended for a strong password. At X-Fan, we ask our clients to change their passwords every 90 days. You might want to check with your company and see what the policies are for changing your password. Also, remember to change your password at home. And your other email systems such as Hotmail or Yahoo, Gmail, change your passwords often. And if you use online banking, it's also a very good idea to change your password for that use too, because you don't want that information landing in the wrong hands. Now, one last note, if you use online banking or any type of computer access, they will never ask you for your password via email. So if you get an email like that, the best thing to do is to delete it and ignore it, because it is not them, it is a scam. Security is really important. I hope you enjoyed this tech tip. See you next week.